Arrive in style with this Dodge 2017 Grand Caravan GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are ABS and driveline traction control, radio data system, cruise control, front fog driving lights, 4-door, body-colored grille, front shoulder room, 63.7, rear-view camera and door pockets, driver and passenger. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.